Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tell you about another $1 billion hotel investment in Jamaica. Now Beaches is going to be spending over $1 billion on three properties in the Caribbean. One will be in Jamaica in Runaway Bay. Now the tourism industry in Jamaica is doing very well. This is one of many hotels being built in Jamaica, and Runaway Bay is doing very well for hotels. Secrets is going to build a hotel there. Beaches is going to be expanding their hotel there, and Royalton is building. Well, they bought out the Jewel Hotel, and they are going to be renovating and expanding it. And you have Palm Beach villas that are being built, and you have Bahari. I think that one is finished. A lot of developments taking place in Runaway Bay. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the Beaches expansion in Jamaica. Now Beaches currently operates two properties under the Beaches name in Jamaica: Beaches Runaway Bay and Beaches Negril. And Beaches is owned by the same, or they're the sister company to Sandals. Sandals is an adults only hotel, and they have numerous properties all over the Caribbean and a lot in Jamaica. So Sandals is an adults only property, but Beaches is the family hotel. So that's why they have them under two different brands. Beaches Resorts. Beaches Resorts' ambitious near US $1 billion expansion signals a major investment in family-friendly luxury travel across the Caribbean. The addition of new resorts in Barbados, the Exuma, the Bahamas, and Runaway Bay, Jamaica, along with the enhancements to Beaches Turks and Caicos, aligns with the brand's commitment to multi-generational travel experiences. The upcoming Beaches Runaway Bay in Jamaica, featuring expansive suites and villas, wellness area, and unique activities like skateboarding and bike trails, highlights the company's focus on creating diverse experiences for families. Additionally, the integration of farm-to-table dining and golf access reinforces the brand's emphasis on premium, all-inclusive experiences. With these developments, Beaches Resorts continues to solidify its position as a leader in the Caribbean luxury family vacation market, responding to the growing demand for immersive and enriching travel experiences. Beaches Resorts operates two premier family-friendly all-inclusive resorts in Jamaica: Beaches Negril and the upcoming Beaches Runaway Bay, with a strong reputation for luxury, adventure, and entertainment for guests of all ages. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.